Good morning, my friends. Today I think we are going to visit, I think for sure, we are going to visiting one village. And UK territory, I see in the map. The village, the name is Paramali, small village. But I see have interesting church and some jami for Muslim. And I look for also for the beach of this Paramali because it is very nice beach. Not too much tourists, not too much because it's little isolated like that. For now I stop it here and very silent, still morning. Look at the church. I'm going to investigate a little the church, and after we're going to all because I see this jami is near. And after you are looking for the that beach. I tried before to localize that beach, but I cannot. It's not allowed that road that I go because not all the roads are allowed because it's UK territory is too much army because it's base. Oh, this is only for that. Okay. Here what this is. Oh, they close not to go inside the pigeon, but I think they still go. How? One way or another, they still go. Recently, I leave the car here. No, I think not to have problem. Small church, but it's enough because the village is looking very small. All information I'm going to attach in the description. What I'm going to find on the Google about this village, Paramali, for you to understand more. I think this highway to go to the path. Okay, now we are going to go in there and that the jami there, you can see it. We are going there. We are going there. Oh my car, look this olive tree is very old here. My car is better today. I need to wash sometimes. Don't wash, long time. This road I go down. I think that road down is the beach. I don't know. Because it's one road only for locals now. I think it is, I don't know sure to told you, but I'm going to try all the roads. I think it's one more there. We are trying all the roads to see where they bring us. Understand? My friends. Anyway, I close the car. I don't think so. They have here thieves, but they don't have people. Thieves. The thieves they don't stay where is not people. The thieves stay only too much people. Look here. Still a lot of place because this territory of this house is very nice. Many fruits. They pour some corn in front of the house. Very nice. I want to stay in this village. I have the beach there, silence, small village, highway near. I don't know, they don't selling this land here. Maybe it's the UK government, they don't sell. It's difficult because here is UK territory, I see in the map. Look the jami. Still working. Maybe from before. You will see now. What about? Look what park nice. This is the center actually. Okay, first this to explore. No, it's abandoned. Another abandoned jami. It's abandoned. Let us see here. Can this be for some doors, you know? Proper. Some have chip inside. Look at here. Very nice. This is center. Paramali. But look at this. This is jami. It's unbelievable. That means before There was Muslim here. Oh, you can go inside if you want, but who go inside is too much shit of the pigeon. Oh, too many. Oh, nice inside. What is inside? Oh. It's nice. Nice. Oh. Have one door in the back, something, closed door. No. No. Look at it. You can't go in that up there, but because they are house of the pigeon. I don't know how many Muslims there live in Limassol. Don't have budget to renovate this. Impossible. Okay, my friends, I go back there in the car. Go back in the car and I try to find that beach of Paramali village. Okay, see you from the beach, I hope. My friends, I find something said no animal sign. Maybe something here. Oh no. Oh, I see some sea. Oh, I'm going to investigate. I'm going to investigate. I'm going to investigate, my friends. Come on. Oh, the road was very nice. What is here? Some indication, some. Attention beach users. Yeah. I find it. That means beach users. They're not interfere with nesting female sex disturbance. Reverse camping, driving on the beach, on lighting fires prohibited. Walking dog is a fan of place of fish. Okay. I don't see something about metal detector. That means allowed. Turtle breeding beach. I find it. My friend. Look, it was nice here. Save it. Stay here in the shadow. The garbage nobody pick up. That's a little problem. It's allowed to detecting here because no sign from not allowed. Yo, it's huge. That beach is huge, my friend. Ooh, I can detect all these beaches. Holy shit. Nobody. It is full season. And nobody here. In full season, nobody is here. It's unbelievable. Oh, my friends, I find it, my friends. I'm finding this turtle beach, the name. Very big, huge. The quality of the sand is not so because of a lot of stones. That's okay. I have a lot of stones, that's okay. I will try the water to see how it is. going to try the water. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Huge. From nobody. Interessante. And in the morning, well, not good to come. But I see dogs marks here. That means the dog is coming here. Okay, my friend, I'm going to take the tower from the car, and of course I need to try the water like a boss. Nice discover today. Good beach for the family. You come and you enjoy. The nice here to stay. One beach only for you. Huge. Middle of the season. Unbelievable. Middle of the season. Middle of August. One beach only for you. That is unbelievable. That is unbelievable.